What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK.
Greetings and welcome to the Porty TV. My father was the first person to interview.
My name is Desmond, and this is my deportation story.
Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Enough people go a foreign and end up touch back in a them country where they come from. A pity you never know the story. Well now, viewers and subscribers, this YouTube channel that I am going to fully recommend to you, the Porty TV. Viewers and subscribers, you can't miss this channel because this channel is going to focus strictly people on deportees, you know what I mean? Because enough time you see people, you know, and you never know the full story why them get deported are some simple things, especially if you owe there abroad, why you can get deported. Well, no people, this is a Jamaican YouTube channel called the Porty TV, and the attacking boss is fully recommending it to you all. All I want to do, viewers and subscribers, just check below in the description for the link and go right over there and please subscribe to this channel, people, because I'm telling you, there's a lot of great content to come out. The Porty TV, fully recommended by NEWLINK production. The Porty TV, check it out, people, please. Blessings, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know, so they're attacking boss there in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So right about now, people, I have some sad news again. And it is where a Jamaican national people has snapped over there in the US, people, and has took out his own wife, who is also a Jamaican. My people, honestly, boy, it not look good. You know what I mean? It not look good when it just look bad. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. We are dealing with young people right now, you know, people. So, oh, Jaja, let me just read this thing here, people, because yo, it not look good. None at all. A Jamaican family is in mourning after 30-year-old Tashiana Johnson Blake was reportedly shot dead by her military husband in front of their 2 children in Colorado, United States, on the weekend. The police have arrested the suspect, Dermot Andrew Blake, who is Jamaican and in his 30s, on charges of his first-degree murder and child abuse without injury. Blake, an active duty sergeant at the Fort Carson military base, did not have a bond listed on the El Paso County Sheriff's website yesterday when he was scheduled for his court arraignment. The tragic event hit Johnson Blake's family hard, with an uncle taking to Facebook to express his grief. "I am mourning because of her. My niece lost her to domestic violence," he captioned in a photo. Another uncle, who resides in Jamaica, told the news that the family has been devastated. "She came out here when she was smaller. She and my sister came to visit," he said of Johnson Blake, a realtor whose parents are both Jamaicans. He said that the couple had been together for several years and theorized that a domestic dispute might have led to the shooting. "His most domestic problem. They have 2 kids together, and me hear say him kill her in front of the picnic them. Shot her in her head," the uncle said. "I got the call and I spoke to her grandmother, also his mother, and she said they were getting ready to go down to Colorado. They are in New York. They were to call me back, but I guess the situation have them up their way," he told news yesterday. The family is particularly concerned about how it will affect the couple's children, even as they call for justice to be served. Reports from the Colorado Springs police are that they responded to a call of a shooting about 1 a.m. When they arrived in the 2000 block of Squabush Ridge Grove, they found a woman who has not been named by the police or in US media reports, but who family members tell the news is Johnson Blake dead inside the house. Her death is currently being investigated as a homicide. US media reports suggest that the identity of the woman killed will not be released until the coroner's office determines the cause of death. Whoa. First of all, I just want to send my condolences to the family of Tashiana Blake, you understand, to all her friends, and especially her 2 kids. It's really sad, people. For this matter now, people, who them say it's the alleged shooter, the husband, right? Who them say in him mid-30s, and who them say is a man who worked with the military over there in the United States. Huh? I don't know the fullest people, what problem they are been going through. You know what I mean? What is really going on in their relationship that led to this. But for somebody who they're together in a relationship, people, when them say several years and brought forward 2 children, and you are telling me, say, there's nothing else could have dealt with this situation, whatever them are go through. Me not go judge nobody people, and me not go talk and say this and that. But me I say, you are telling me, say them could have find some other ways and means. I mean, I go say them, this man now, this same thing who is the alleged man, the husband, him could have find some other means and ways how to solve this situation or whatever problem they are going through. And you tell me, say, him carry out a act like this in front of the 2 kids, which the kids can do talk. People, honestly, you see how crazy this world is getting now? And when we talk, people, sometimes we look at our country in Jamaica, you know, and we are going to speak out and we are going to lash out, right? And we are going to say, yo, the man them a Jamaica, them wicked. The man them a Jamaica, all it pay, kill them a kill off the woman them. Me no want none of them, right? But other ways you think, you know. So, the man them over USA now, who is Jamaican, them good, right? Listen, my man. It's not all about the Jamaica man wicked, because we are telling you, so this domestic thing, people, it a go on right around the globe, you know, especially in the Caribbean, you know. And only for them something a go on where husband a snap, you know. And a few times the woman them do snap to one of the crazy things. You get what I'm saying? But people, you are telling me, as me said before, they could find some means and ways the man, whatever, in him heart, whatever led him to take that gun and squeeze that trigger into the woman head. In front of the kids. No, man. Honestly, this is a letdown, people, and him need to get the harshish. When we call the people harshish punishment, whatever system them have over there. Me don't know how Colorado go in for them part, people. Which me know some states do have the chair and do use ejection. You know what I mean? Which me know say them say Biden a try cut out them something there. What if something you go try cut out Mr. Biden and them something there, which you know are for them rules, are for them law. But something like this, people, you know what I mean? They do have fully proof, and if they do, yeah, him do it, people. Give him the chair or give him the ejection. No easy for him, people. No deal for it, people. Not even, you see for bail, not even the B for end with the L, nothing of a start. You get what I say? You know how much man out they get bun? You know how much man out they go through problem in a relationship? You know how much man out they face tough times? You know how much man out they face rough times? And then go through it and then fight it out, people. You get what I say? And then hold it out, then cry, then sit and then burn. See? And then comes a boom, drop on the ground, boom, get up back and continue them life journey. See? But you are tell me, say now, this a sin thing here. Could you find some means and ways how to rethink? But in the end, him snap and take the human life. For sure, say this boy now no love. Because if there was love inside of it, people, it would have pray and look, say, me can't take the mother of my 2 kids them. If him love him, pity them, though. But this thing in no love. People are got, me see me cover story like this now. You people, no? Attacking boss. You know the training where the man them got show. And the military make him answer. Military make him answer. What? So if a military make him answer, one to the other soldier them are getting much bun. And them comes a woman and get him manage and left the woman. Me attack the soldier get the most bun. Which me not attacking a film situation. I don't know how it got people. I mean I got judge and answer you are bun him get. Me don't know nothing. But when me ask the people, this should not have been the answer. It's a letdown. You know what I mean? Again, another Jamaican let us down over in the USA. Another Jamaican sell out, another Jamaican disgrace the whole family. You get me? All the family feel now. Say something like this to that to the woman. She never deserved that, people. Me say no matter what. No, listen, my man. Me no want nobody can say this and that to the attacking boss. And a straight attack. Beat the attack, NEWLINK. Attack. For it. See? Straight attack for it. As me say, people, whether them a get ejection or whether them a get a cheer, serve it right. No joke, no leniency. Viewers and subscribers, more love in the people, more respect. And just, my ladies out there, please stay safe. And please be careful. And for the eye them out there, the general them, look here. We know so we have some woman, some lamp pile out there too, who snap more and who do things and who lead enough to do things but hold it out. Zine, and if you not go through the toughest and the roughest problem, link up the attacking boss, my whole raise. Link me up over Instagram, get my WhatsApp number, you get what me I say, and link up the attacking boss, my whole raise. Because look, you know, that's not the answer. Every man face tough times in a relationship. When I deal with that woman, you get me I say, if she go give you this something, man, and you decide she want to make a move, man, make that move, the man. But look, you know, that's not the answer. Because you mess up your life, your future, you put a mark on your kids them. No good luck. You damage everything. Big up on yourself, people. Peace, love, respect, and just be safe out there, you know. Ladies, be careful. Peace out. Attack them NEWLINK. I'm out.